Ever found yourself facing a daunting account on hold notification on your Amazon account? Well, that's a scenario no one likes to be in. But don't worry, we're here to help you understand why it happens and how to resolve it. Firstly, it's crucial to understand that Amazon puts an account on hold due to specific issues they have identified. Let's dive into the reasons one by one. One of the common reasons is policy violations. Amazon has a set of seller policies, terms of service, and a code of conduct. If you violate any of these, such as listing prohibited items or engaging in fraudulent activities, your account might end up on hold. Next, intellectual property infringement. If you're selling products that infringe on others' intellectual property rights, like trademarks or copyrights, that's a surefire way to land your account in hot water. Performance metrics is another vital factor. Amazon has a set of performance standards that you need to maintain. If you fall below these standards, especially in metrics like order defect rate, late shipment rate, or cancellation rate, you might see your account on hold. Suspicious activity can also trigger an account hold. Sudden changes in sales volume, account information, or login locations can raise Amazon's eyebrows. Verification or authentication issues can also lead to an account hold. If Amazon has concerns about the accuracy or authenticity of the information you provided during the account creation or verification process, they might put your account on hold. Billing or payment issues are a common cause for account holds. Failure to pay outstanding fees or keeping outdated payment methods can put your account in jeopardy, so always ensure your payment methods are up to date. Unresolved customer complaints can also negatively impact your account. Poor customer service or a high number of negative reviews can result in an account hold. Product quality or safety concerns is another significant reason. If you're selling products that do not meet safety standards or pose risks to consumers, Amazon might put your account on hold. Operating multiple seller accounts without proper authorization is against Amazon's policies. If you're doing so, expect an account hold. Finally, a verification documentation request. Amazon may place a hold if they require additional documentation to verify your identity, business information, or product authenticity. In summary, to avoid the dreaded account on hold status, you need to adhere to Amazon's policies, maintain performance metrics, avoid suspicious activities, and manage billing issues promptly. Remember to deliver quality customer service, sell safe and quality products, and only operate authorized multiple seller accounts. And lastly, always be ready with your verification documentation. With these steps, you're well on your way to maintaining a healthy Amazon seller account. Happy selling!